Hi, I'm Ava, the founder and CEO of Perfect Sense AQ. The Perfect Sense AQ service consists of a pollution sensing pin badge and corresponding mobile app. 4 years ago, when I was 12 years old, I wanted to figure out what the air quality was like around me. Unfortunately, there were only monitoring sites by DEFRA in the city centre of Leeds. Unfortunately, I don't live in the city centre, so the data wasn't meaningful to me at all. The World Health Organization states that 7 million people die every year due to poor air quality. Also, from a study from the University of Manchester, it hinders the working memory of students by 6 to 7 weeks versus their peers if the quality of the air that they breathe, the NOx levels in the air, are 50% over the recommended mean. Perfect Sense AQ sets out to mitigate these problems. Everyone deserves the right to the healthiest start to the day. For children, this means their journey into school, as we know that it can affect not only their health, but their ability to learn. The Perfect Sense AQ pin badge measures pollution as NOx, oxides of nitrogen. Also, the addition of graphene into the design adds the durability and lightweight nature of the sensor, meaning it can be more miniaturized and able to be put on clothing and bags. Hyperlocality within the design is another strength and uniqueness. The addition of a GNSS chip means that the data can be plotted within 5 and 10 centimetres of the person collecting it. However, if this were to be done through a phone, it would be between 5 and 10 metres instead. This means that the data collected with the Perfect Sense AQ pin badge is more meaningful to the person there and then. Thank you.